Canada's beautiful blueberry farms produce some of the world's finest premium berries. The United States is among the world's leading producers of premium blueberries. Chile supplies premium blueberries to international markets throughout the year. Poland has become one of Europe's fastest-growing producers of premium blueberries. Peru is one of the world's largest exporters of fresh blueberries, supplying premium fruit across the globe. Duke is one of America's most popular early-season blueberry varieties, prized for its exceptional quality. Blue Crop is one of the world's most widely cultivated blueberry varieties for commercial farming. Elliott blueberries are valued worldwide. They are known for their excellent storage life and premium export quality.
Peru is one of the world's largest exporters of premium fresh blueberries, supplying markets across the globe.
Aurora is a premium, late-season blueberry variety, known for its outstanding flavor and exceptional fruit quality. Blueberries are among the world's richest natural sources of antioxidants. Blueberries are widely recognized as part of a heart-healthy diet. Blueberries are valued worldwide for nutrients that support normal brain function. Blueberries naturally provide essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Their rich flavor and natural nutrition make blueberries one of the world's finest fruits for premium juice production. The United States operates some of the world's most advanced blueberry juice processing facilities. Canada's modern factories preserve blueberry freshness. With world-class processing technology,
Poland has become one of Europe's leading centers for premium blueberry processing.
Chile supplies premium blueberry products to international markets throughout the year. Welcome to the NECTIVO Blueberry Juice Factory. Every berry begins its journey to become premium juice. Fresh, premium blueberries arrive daily to preserve their natural flavor and quality. Every harvest is carefully unloaded to protect the delicate berries. Only perfectly ripened blueberry premium juice production. Intelligent optical technology grades every blueberry with remarkable precision. Gentle washing removes impurities while preserving the berry's natural freshness. Filtered air prepares every blueberry for premium juice production. Gentle crushing unlocks the blueberry's rich natural flavor. Advanced extraction preserves the berry's natural color and flavor. Precision separation creates a smoother and more refined blueberry juice. Fresh blueberry juice is collected under strict hygienic conditions for the next stage of processing. Multi-stage filtration creates a smoother and purer premium blueberry juice. Automated balance tanks ensure a stable flow before heat treatment begins. Controlled pasteurization protects freshness while ensuring food safety. Rapid cooling preserves the juice's natural taste and vibrant color. Temperature-controlled storage protects every batch until automated bottling begins. Every bottle is sterilized to guarantee maximum food safety. Every bottle is filled with the exact amount of premium blueberry juice.
Precision sealing locks in freshness from the very first bottle.
Precision labeling gives every bottle a premium identity. Every bottle receives a unique code for complete quality traceability. Every bottle receives a tamper-evident seal before leaving production. Automated packing prepares every carton for safe global transportation. Robotic precision builds perfectly stable pallets for worldwide shipping.
Every finished product passes strict inspection before global distribution.
Every finished carton is carefully stored until it begins its journey around the world. Every shipment begins its journey, carrying premium blueberry juice to the world. Advanced global logistics deliver premium blueberry juice across every continent. From farm to shelf, every bottle reflects uncompromising quality. Every bottle completes its journey by reaching families around the world. From the world's finest blueberry farms to every refreshing glass, excellence lives in every drop.